Hey, I'm Rachel Ngom from she's making an impact.com. And I got a question of how do you post without sounding salesy? Good question. And here's what I actually want you to do. Don't sell. The majority of your posts on social media should be value, 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 value. It could be posts about your life. It could be lessons learned, tips, something that's adding value. And then I want you, a book that really helped me on this is Gary Vaynerchuk's book, Jab, 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 Right Hook. I was a kickboxing instructor. Me and my son we have like a whole room out there and we are doing kickboxing this weekend. It was super fun. He's 5 and he's tough. We had a lot of fun. But I want you to think about you're adding value, you're adding value, adding value, adding value. Like 10 posts of adding value and then maybe one post where you're selling. And so it shouldn't just be, I see this, so many network marketers do this. And I was guilty too. I did this when I first started, so no shame. It's just like when you go to their Facebook page or something like that, it's like buy my stuff, buy my stuff, buy my stuff, buy my stuff, buy my stuff. People aren't going to buy from you unless they know, like, and trust you. So how could you add value to their life where they're going to be naturally curious about who you are and how you can help them? Okay? How, write this down. How can you add value to their life so they're curious about you and how you can help them? That's the biggest piece of advice I could give you is don't sell. Just add freaking value on a consistent basis, okay? And then every once in a while, we'll do a promotion, but we don't do a promotion more than every quarter. And even when we do a promotion, we're adding so much value before we do it that it's a no-brainer. Like, this is the next logical step for people to take. And I don't even feel that it's salesy because I know that it's serving my audience. And if they do join me and put some skin in the game, they're going to get freaking amazing results. So I really want you to reframe how you're running your business, add massive value, pick up Gary Vaynerchuk's book, Jab, 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 Right Hook. And I hope you found this helpful. Head to the blog, she's making an impact.com. I've got so many resources to help you build a killer business, and I'll see you later.